Get ready for one of the most unique golf-inspired sneaker drops of 2026 as Nike unveils the Air Max 95 Golf Waste Management Open, built to match the wild atmosphere of Phoenix's biggest PGA event. This pair stands out with a mixed material woven upper using perforated leather, canvas, and hairy suede, recreating a bold Footscape-like aesthetic that instantly catches attention. Off-white panels dominate the design, while brown leather accents, tassel hangtag, and dress shoe detailing pay homage to classic golf footwear, contrasting perfectly with the WM Open's party-like reputation. A thick green swoosh and matching outsole zone nod to the tournament's signature waste management colors. Unlike recent Big Bubble Air Max 95 releases, this edition features a slimmer midsole and refined air unit, plus an upgraded golf-specific traction system for on-course performance. Dropping in spring 2026 on Nike SNKRS, this pair is expected to arrive just in time for the tournament, making it a must-watch release for golf fans and sneaker collectors.